Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Nissan Altima license plate light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts or movement. Now, let's find the light housing on the rear bumper, usually above the license plate itself. Once you've located the housing, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off the plastic lens cover. Be gentle to avoid cracking it. After the cover is off, you'll see the bulb socket. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing. Now, with the socket free, simply pull the old bulb straight out. It might be a bit snug, but it should come out easily. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY car tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh, whether you're working on your car or just heading out. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now take your new replacement bulb and firmly insert it into the empty socket. Make sure it's seated correctly. Then, reinsert the entire bulb socket back into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Finally, align the plastic lens cover and snap it back onto the housing. You should hear a click, indicating it's properly seated and sealed. Test the lights to confirm they work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.